Hi there and welcome to the Baking for Joy channel. I'll be making videos of the various recipes that I've made over the years that everyone has enjoyed with the idea to show you just how easy it is to bake. So in the notes below you'll find the recipe, the instructions and also any tips that are relevant to the recipe that we are baking. I hope you enjoy these videos, and if you do, please press the like button. Also, please don't forget to also press the subscribe button. So if you're ready, let's bake. Today we're going to be making Molten Chunk Choc Brownies. Yes, I said that very slowly because it is a mouthful, but when baked, a very delicious mouthful. So to start with, you're going to need to set your oven at 160 degrees Celsius so we can get it preheated while we get all the ingredients together. You're also going to need a square tin. So I have an 18 centimetre by 18 centimetre, although a 20 by 20 centimetre will work as well.